Swiss bank accounts have seen an increased jump and our accounts are now being held by Indians. This must perhaps be a first in India's history, where before we have information on these account holders, we have India's finance ministers coming forward to defend them. That before 2014, every discussion on Swiss bank accounts was considered black money. I would want to remind the real and the fake finance minister that the Prime Minister Modi then, who was campaigning for his party, had said and committed to the people of this country that he would get all the money stashed in foreign bank accounts back to the nation and ensure everyone gets 15 lakhs in their bank accounts. Modi ji, in a statement, had said that every child in this country knows that all the money deposited in foreign bank accounts is black money. What changed from then to now? Demonetization. I would like to repeat, and I would like to remind the real, fake and the shadow finance minister of this country is actually the money laundering scam that this government has created in India. This is one government which has tirelessly worked, continue to ensure and help and aid and abet conversion of black money into white. And a fine example of that was Amit Shah and gang's District Cooperative Bank deposits post demonetization, which exceeded 3,200 crores. And through other banks, district cooperative banks in entire Gujarat was around 32,000 crores. I'm going to share with you a CBDT letter which categorically states that as of now, the government of India does not have a single name or no list has been shared of these account holders by these Swiss bank account holders by the Swiss banks. So will the Prime Minister, will the Finance Minister, the real and fake, answer to us that how come and how swiftly they have come forward to defend these suited booted friends without even knowing who all would perhaps be listed in these accounts, holding these accounts. 38 crore LIC holders who put their money, their life savings in LIC through their various policies, today stand at risk, and not just stand at risk of losing their savings, but also will be burdened because of the decision that Narendra Modi government has taken to cover up its own sins in the banking sector. They have flouted all norms, all established rules and established laws, and are unleashing yet another financial anarchy of the largest proportions that India has ever seen.
The government is doing all sort of financial tricks so that their balance sheet should be very clean and all debts and all burdens should move to the balance sheet of the Life Insurance Corporation. आज LIC 38 करोड़ पॉलिसी होल्डर्स का पैसा LIC के पास है, आप उसको उस पैसे को किस में लगाना चाहते हो? एक ऐसे बैंक में जिसके ग्रॉस NPA पिछले 4 साल में 6 गुना बढ़ गए। जब 2014 में यूपीए सरकार थी तो 31 मार्च 2014 को 9,900 करोड़ NPA था, जो आज बढ़कर लगभग 59,000 करोड़ रुपया हो चुका है। IRDA और LIC जो एक्ट है उसमें कहा हुआ है कि LIC कोई भी एक कंपनी में, एक बैंक में, एक एंटिटी में 15% से ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर सकती। अब आपने यहाँ पे 50% से ज्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात कर ली है, और बैंक है जिनकी आर्थिक हालात आज इसके बराबर है। क्या आने वाले समय में LIC वहां पे भी पैसा लगाने वाला है?